Understanding the Role of a Prosecutor. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unpack a key term that you may have come across in legal dramas, news reports, or in discussions about the law: the prosecutor. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what this term means but also understand the significant role a prosecutor plays in the legal system. So let's dive in. A prosecutor is a legal professional who is responsible for presenting a case against an individual suspected of breaking the law in a criminal trial. They work on behalf of the government and the public, aiming to prove the guilt of the defendant. Unlike a defense attorney, who represents the accused, the prosecutor's job is to show the court why the individual should be convicted of the charge. Prosecutors have a very important job. Their duties include evaluating evidence. Before going to trial, they must carefully look at all the evidence to decide if it's strong enough to present in court. Filing charges. If there is enough evidence, prosecutors file formal charges or a complaint against the defendant. Plea bargaining. Sometimes, they negotiate with the defendant to plead guilty in exchange for a lesser charge or sentence. Representing the government. During the trial, the prosecutor presents evidence and arguments to the judge and jury, aiming to demonstrate the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. While it's the prosecutor's job to seek convictions, they must also be fair. They are not just advocates but also ministers of justice. This means they have to balance their desire to win cases with their ethical duty to ensure that justice is done. If they come across any evidence that could prove the defendant's innocence, they are obliged to present it to the defense. In different legal systems, prosecutors may have various titles and roles. District Attorney. Common in the United States, this type of prosecutor represents the government in a specific area or district. Crown Prosecutor. In countries like the UK or Canada, this is a prosecutor who acts on behalf of the Crown. Public Prosecutor. A general term used in many countries for the prosecutor who represents the state's interests in criminal cases. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a prosecutor is and what they do within the legal system. It's a complex role with a huge responsibility in upholding justice. Remember, a prosecutor is more than just a lawyer trying to win a case. They are key figures in making sure that the law is applied fairly and justly. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been informative. Stay tuned for more videos on English language learning.